Hi guys, got a new package in. This one's from AliExpress again. So it comes wrapped in this big ventilated Ziploc bag. Now the bag is meant to be worn around your waist and around your leg. At the top here, there is a little pocket, and this is Velcro. Some of the ones that are advertised, they come with a patch that might say police or emergency or something like that. But this one didn't include it. And all of the zippers have this kind of thing on it. So there's lots of space in here. There's a space on a pocket on the outer flap as well. And when you open this up, you've got a deep inner pocket. Sorry, I'm working with one hand. Pretty deep and big. It can hold a lot of stuff. And this is, I looked and looked at all the different ones, and this is the only one that has this extra thing sewn on here to protect your stuff from the rain. Alright, so you can close this up, keep your stuff more secure. There are pockets on all sides, so on one side, you've got this pocket, and it has loops, so you can carry things in the loops. This is another spacious pocket here. Let me see. Where are you? Hey! So it's got a little nylon pocket that looks like it's probably for a cell phone or something. It's lined with nylon, so it's easy to clean. And the whole thing is a kind of canvas nylon. On this side is another pocket. This flips up on each side. Knock it off! There are loops, so you can put stuff in there. And for some reason on this side, it closes with one of these straps. The back has a mesh that wicks away moisture, and it's got a heavy waistband belt that's adjustable. And here is, I believe, the leg band, so you can wear it or not wear it, depending on what you want. But it's a pretty good quality, heavy duty, multi-purpose, durable looking, and you could carry a lot of stuff in here. A lot of stuff. So this is a special bag that I bought for a special purpose, part of a puzzle, and I'll put the link down below in case you're interested in getting one from this store. I mean, they have lots of them, but if you want the one with the drawstring, you'll have to do a thorough search to find it if you don't want to get it from the store. And maybe you don't care about this part. Thanks for watching.